Hey guys, what is up? Mike with FluffeyHD here today, bringing you a useful list of editors and resources. You guys can check these guys out right now. They have awesome tutorials and they're really helpful. So without further ado, let's get into them. Now the first guy I wanted to introduce is JCRFT. Now he's been around for a while. He was one of the first people to see my Twixtor for Sony Vegas, and he is one of the people who's figured it all out. So if you have any Twixtor Sony Vegas questions, you guys can go over to his channel, ask him. He makes tutorials regularly. They're really good, and his edits are really good. So without further ado, here you go. Here's JCRFT, and here's a short portion of one of his edits. So once again, just an amazing editor. And next up we have who's JayL. Now I was introduced to him recently, and he's just an absolutely amazing editor. He's freaking ridiculous. You'll see him winning OCs. He sticks strictly to Vegas. He makes tutorials, but you just have to go check out his edits. They're absolutely ridiculous, over the top for only Sony Vegas edits. So please go check him out. He is absolutely amazing, guys. And without further ado, here he is with one of his edits. Once again, he's just absolutely so flow. He has the sickest flow. But anyways, now to get on to the big announcement, guys. Alright, on to the big announcement, guys. The new version of Twixtor for Sony Vegas will be released tomorrow, guys. I want this to be a huge drop. Tell all your friends to check out my channel tomorrow. Should be up around 4-ish. And that's Eastern Standard Time, and it's just going to be the brand new version. It's got a lot of new features, and it's a lot more smooth for Vegas. So check that out. And also, the 3D text was all done in Sony Vegas. If you want a tutorial on that, please like the video and comment if you want it. Alright, peace, guys, and be sure to sub out their channels in the description or on the screen now.